Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I am asking the big question. Will GPT-4, the all-knowing language model, take over our web developer jobs? Let's find out together. All right, ChatGPT, are you going to snatch my web developer job?
As an AI language model, I am not able to take jobs or perform tasks like a human would. However,
I can certainly help you with any web development-related questions, concerns, or tasks you need assistance with. Please feel free to
No?
ask anything related.
You promise you'll only help me? Well, let's see about that. Just in case things don't go according to plan, I gotta ask. If you do end up taking my job, will you pay my mortgage and raise my kids?
as an AI language model, I am neither capable of taking jobs nor performing tasks like paying mortgages or raising children.
My purpose is to assist and provide information in response to user queries. If you have any questions or need help with a specific topic, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to provide the information you need.
Oh, so now we're partners in crime? I can live with that. Let's pretend I'm hiring ChatGPT.
I'm glad you're interested in my web development expertise. As an AI language model, I'm here to help you with any questions or tasks related to web development. Here's a brief overview of my skills and experience.
Programming languages. I have knowledge of popular web development languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and Ruby, as well as modern frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, Vue, Node.js, Express, Django, and Ruby on Rails. Responsive web design.
So, should I be excited or scared? I don't know. She seems pretty smart. Now let's offer a huge salary for a bot and see what happens. How does $20 sound?
As an AI language model, I do not require payment, nor do I have the ability to accept or use money. My purpose is to assist you and provide information in response to your queries.
Wait, really? Too much? Perfect, we're gonna be best friends. Now that GPT-4 is on my team, let's see if she can help me with something I know nothing about, like building a MacOS Swift UI app. I swear, without GPT-4, I'd be like a chimp banging on a keyboard. Okay, ChatGPT, don't let me down. I'm putting all my faith in you. And oh no, there are errors in your code. We can't have that, can we? All right, ChatGPT, time to redeem yourself. Fix those errors. Aha, it works. And now it plays the kitten videos. Life is good. Next up, let's see if she can modify the code to play a video from my hard drive. Nice. She is 2 for 3. But can she add player controls? Oh no, what happened? Do I really have to learn Swift now? You're killing me, ChatGPT. I had dreams of pocketing all the profits while you did all the work. Let's give it another shot. I'm sure she can do it. Wait a minute, she fixed it. We're back on track and I think I might just keep GPT-4 around. So there you have it, folks. GPT-4 is one helpful AI, but it's not quite ready to steal our jobs. Yet. In the meantime, I'll let ChatGPT teach me SwiftUI, because let's face it, who wouldn't want to learn from a super smart AI buddy?